Hey, welcome to another video. I am doing an unboxing today. I picked up a new pen. It's for my birthday and I got it, ordered it on Black Friday because my birthday was soon after that. And I picked it up from Gold Spot. They included one of their catalogs, which is cool, so I can figure out what else I want. Haha, y'all know how that goes. Anyway, let's get right into it. This was included, cute little sticker. I will find a home for it. Hopefully use it, not just collect it. And I am excited because this is my first pen from this brand. And it was hard to find one that I wanted and was available. And this one I kept coming back to. I said, okay, I'm gonna do it. Get the receipt. And it is a Leonardo. Get it out of here. I love the matte finish. Just such a classic look. I save all my boxes. Do you save your boxes? Like, yeah, in case I sell it later. I'm like, you know, you're not selling anything. At least I don't think I am. Got a clamshell box. Guarantee. I'll look at that later. And here it is. The Aloha finish. I am so excited. I picked up a medium nib because that's really the smallest I like to go. And I just can't wait. Oh, it's so pretty. I love this. This is beautiful. My first Leonardo. All you people who have our old hands at this brand, don't mind me gushing. Got a blind cap here, which I probably won't use because if my memory serves, this is cartridge converter. Ooh, we are on there. Yes. So yeah, I probably won't be using that. I will just open it up and see what I'm adding to the pen. But oh my goodness, I'm so excited. And I don't even know what to do. This is my first unboxing. And honestly, I don't really care how many rotations it takes to take a cap off. Let me know if you feel the same way. I mean, how many can it take? How bad can it really be? But anyway, I am going to give this a try right now. Oh, since I talked about it, let's do it. One full rotation. That's nice. Okay, let's ink this baby up and see how she writes. Good. I decided to go with a nice reliable ink, Pilot Iroshizuku Asa Gao. And let's grab a paper towel. I'm getting better at not making a mess because that's just what I do. Let's make a mess regardless of skill level. Just get a little messy. This looks like a screw-in converter. Yes, feels like it. Okay, put that back in there. And I haven't used this ink yet. I've had it for a hot minute. But it's just blue, you know? But it's very pretty. And I really should have washed this, but oh, God forgive me. We're going in dirty. So we don't have any tragedies with ink. And it's almost full. That's good enough for a test. I may leave it in here. This is so pretty. Well, I'm a little bit dirty. Take a moment. This is gorgeous. Oh. Okay, anyway. Let me see. Can this be posted? I don't post my tops. I don't want to scratch up the pen. And it feels like, yes, it can be posted. It's a little long, but it doesn't feel back heavy. But I don't post, and it's plenty long enough as is. And it's girthy enough for me. Oh, Lord. That is lovely. Still have room. That's wonderful. I think I'm gonna leave this blue ink in here. I love this pen. I'm just like, be chill. Don't be silly for YouTube, but I love this pen. I love a nice smooth writer out of the box. You don't have to fiddle with it. You don't have to worry about the ink, but I used a good, you know, well-behaved, not troublesome at all ink with, I think it shades a little, but there's no shimmer or anything like that. It's just, you know, a good ink. This is great. I am loving it. So far, 10 out of 10, totally recommend it. And that is it for this video. I finally got my first unboxing out of the way. Leonardo Momento Zero in the Aloha finish with a medium nib. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.